Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation, relationship, guys, we are picking few cards. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will come right after this general energy, guys. So for your general energies, Gemini, it's the Hermit, Five of Swords and Nine of Wands in reverse. So Gemini, in your situation today, guys, you are facing some stressful situations, some kind of struggles, and you are making lot of sacrifices today, and you have a lot of obstacles you need to face in your situation today, guys. So it may be people, or it may be your work circumstance or your personal life. Something is obstructing your growth and that positive progress in life today, guys. And maybe for some of you, the people who are with you, so they may not have that you may not have that common thinking, so that common ground may not be there in your work situation, or that compatibility is not there in your relationship. So you feel that you are left out, alone, and really stressed. So you may be lonely, guys. For some of you, I see that maybe this person and yourself, you are taking a break, a temporary break, thinking what needs to be done about this love, about this connection. So you want to perceive things with clarity. So maybe you are away from this person you love, guys, and you feel that the whole world is against you, working against you. So I see some kind of a stressful situation in your career also, some kind of troubles in your career situation also. There are people competing with you, trying to grab your opportunities or obstructing your positive growth in your career. And I see that you may be taking guidance from someone, maybe your friends or family, taking their suggestion on what needs to be done today. And you know in your heart of hearts what is the right thing to do, but you are unable to proceed in that way because something is coming, obstructing you to take that right path. It may be love you have for this person, or it may be your own ego, maybe, guys. So some kind of difficulties because of that. So your heart is saying what needs to be done today, Gemini. So you need to listen to it. That is what I see with these cards, guys, Gemini. That is the reading for you all today. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile comes to you first, you can close your eyes, think about your situation, or just be quiet for some time, and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so let's start with the first set of cards here. So we have Ace of Suns in reverse, Two of Moons, and Lady of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe today in this connection you have this may be your energy or this person's energy, so that love and compassion is there in this connection, kindness is there in this connection, but you cannot trust them totally because maybe for some of you they have their own ideas. Something is there in their mind. Maybe they are here in this connection because they have few things to say or say to you, or maybe their past has somehow making them really stressed, and they are here in this connection because they have left few things unsaid to that person, and maybe with this person they are kind to you sometimes, but suddenly they are bursting out harshly. So it may be because of their past, something is clouding their mind. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way, guys. So with this person you may have that you may feel they're kind sometimes, but sometimes they are not. So you cannot have that total trust on this person, guys. But I also see that this card here, it is a very positive card. So maybe their behavior, maybe they have some preconceived notions about this relationship. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way. But in this connection there is a possibility for marriage and a positive relationship. So if you are patient enough, you can wait till things sort out on its own, guys. So any problems that you're having today in this connection, all that is going to be reducing, guys, for you. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first deck. That is the reading. So for those who have chosen the second deck, let's see what are the cards. So we have 10 of Water, Magician, and Hermit. So in this love, in this connection, you very well know in your heart of hearts, not only your love or whatever intentions you have towards this person, that is not enough. You need some kind of intuition or inspiration, some kind of guidance, but that is there in your connection today, guys. So something is pushing you towards some choices today in your situation. So something you are thinking about something, maybe some important decisions need to be made today. So that is essential for your growth in this connection, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are changing the way you perceive this love, perceive this connection. Your perception is different. Maybe you understand what this person is feeling right now. You may have a clear understanding, a clear perception today, guys. So you have that acceptance in your heart today. Maybe certain things may not go right, certain things may go well in this connection, but whatever it is, you have that acceptance in your heart. That may be the reason that you are happy as you are in this love, in this connection, guys. So things may not be going as expected, but I see peace of mind and happiness because you have that unconditional love towards this person, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.